how to fix many concurrent requests on ChatGPT. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our browser and then go to chatgpt.com. So once you're now here, if you're facing any problem, the next thing that we need to do right here is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click this lock icon. So once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do right here is to go here on cookie and site data. So if you are using a different browser, just look for the cookie and site data right there. And then once you click that, just select cookies. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to just look for chatgpt.com. So what we're going to do is to click on that and then click remove. Once you do that, just click on done. And then the next thing that we need to do is to refresh our website. So once you do that, and if it is still not working, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click three dots. And then in this part, just click on settings. So if you're using a different browser, just go on the settings and then just search for cookies. And then what we're going to do right here, just look for clear browsing data. And then what we're going to do is to click choose what to clear. And then what we're going to do is to select just the cookies and other site data. After that, just click clear now. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for CMD and then click run as administrator. After that, once you're here, we're going to type ipconfig space / flush DNS and then click enter. Once you do that, just type netsh space winsock space reset. And then once you do that, just click enter. And then once you do that, what we're going to do is to restart our computer, and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix many concurrent requests on ChatGPT.